Welcome back to our Advanced AI series from UC Hub Tech. Today, we're diving into a game-changing concept, the context window. This is Lesson A7, and trust me, it's going to completely revolutionize how you interact with AI. So, what exactly is a context window? Think of it as the AI's short-term memory. It's the maximum amount of information, like text, code, or data, that the AI can hold and process at any single moment. For older models, this window was quite small, like trying to read a novel through a keyhole. Chew could only give them a few paragraphs at a time, which was a huge limitation. If you tried to feed them a long report, they would forget the beginning by the time they reached the end. This made tasks like analyzing lengthy documents practically impossible. But here's where the magic happens. Models like Google's Gemini have an incredibly large, or long, context window. We're not talking about a few pages anymore. We're talking about the ability to handle massive inputs. Imagine being able to upload entire books, lengthy research papers, complex legal contracts, or dense financial reports all in one go. Gemini doesn't just glance at the information. It ingests and understands the entire document, from the first word to the last. This isn't just a small step up. It's a monumental leap forward. It transforms the AI from a simple chatbot into a powerful research and analysis engine, capable of understanding intricate details within a vast sea of information. Let's put this into a practical scenario to see why it's such a big deal. Our goal for today is to take a massive document, let's say a dense 50-page quarterly financial report, and use Gemini to extract specific, hard-to-find information and synthesize complex sections. In the past, this would be a painstaking manual process. You'd have to skim through pages, search for keywords, and piece together information yourself, which could take hours and be prone to human error. You might miss a crucial detail buried in a footnote or misinterpret a complex clause. With a long context window, the AI becomes your personal research assistant, but one that can read and comprehend thousands of pages in seconds. We're going to ask it to act like a laser-focused analyst, pulling out precise data points and summarizing key sections on command. This demonstration will show you how to turn mountains of text into actionable insights, instantly. No more manual searching, no more information overload. Just you, the AI, and clear, concise answers. This is where the true power of modern AI begins to shine, and it's a skill you absolutely need in your toolkit. Okay, let's get into the demo. Here we are in the Gemini interface. As you can see, I have a file ready to go. It's a sample quarterly business report, and it's quite biffy, around 50 pages of dense text, charts, and legal jargon, too. The kind of document that would make anyone groan if their boss dropped it on their desk and said, "I need a summary by noon." I'm going to start by simply uploading this PDF file directly into our chat. You can see it processing the file now. What's happening behind the scenes is that Gemini is reading and indexing the entire document, making every single word, number, and sentence accessible for our queries. It's not just scanning for keywords. It's building a comprehensive understanding of the document's structure and content. This initial loading process is the foundation for everything we're about to do. The file is now fully loaded and ready for analysis. Now for the fun part. We're going to ask questions that would be incredibly tedious to find manually. Crucially, these questions are designed so that the answers can only be found within the document we just uploaded. This proves the AI isn't just pulling information from its general knowledge base. It's reasoning and retrieving directly from the source material we provided. It is called grounding, and it's essential for ensuring accuracy and reliability. For my first query, I'm going to ask for a very specific, needle-in-a-haystack detail. Type. What is the full name of the lead author referenced on page 12? This is a great test. It requires the AI to not only find the right page, but also to correctly identify the specific piece of information I'm asking for. It can't guess this. The answer is buried somewhere in the text on that specific page. Let's see how it does. Look at that. Gemini has processed the request, and here's the response. It correctly identifies the full name as Dr. Eleanor Vance. It didn't just give me the name. It might even provide the surrounding sentence for context. confirming it found the exact reference. This demonstrates its ability to navigate the document with precision, almost like it has a photographic memory of all 50 pages. This is incredibly powerful. Imagine doing due diligence on legal contracts or verifying facts in a scientific paper. This capability saves an immense amount of time and reduces the risk of overlooking critical details. Let's push it further with a more complex task. This time, I'm not asking for a single data point. I'm asking for synthesis. I'll type, summarize the financial risk section in 5 bullet points. This is a much higher level task. It requires the AI to first locate the relevant section or sections discussing financial risks, which could be spread across several pages. Then, it has to comprehend the main ideas, distinguish between major and minor points, and finally, condense that complex information into a clear, concise, and easy-to-digest summary, formatted exactly as I requested in 5 bullet points. This tests its ability to not just find information, but to understand and restructure it. And there we have it. Gemini has returned a perfectly formatted 5-point summary. Let's review it. Point 1 mentions market volatility. Point 2 discusses currency exchange rate fluctuations. Point 3 covers regulatory compliance risks. Point 4 highlights cybersecurity threats to financial data. And Point 5 touches on potential disruptions in the supply chain. This is a brilliant summary. It's accurate, concise, and captures the essence of what is likely a very dense and jargon-filled section of the report. It has successfully filtered out the noise and presented the core risks in a way that a busy executive could understand in 30 seconds. The ability to both extract precise details and synthesize broad concepts on demand is what makes the long context window such a transformative feature for professionals in any field. So, let's wrap this up. What have we truly witnessed here? We've seen how a large context window transforms an AI like Gemini from a simple conversationalist into a powerful personal research assistant. You can feed it massive, complex documents, be it legal contracts, technical manuals, financial reports, or even entire books, and it doesn't break a sweat. It reads, understands, and remembers everything. We saw it pinpoint a single name on a specific page, a task that would have had us manually skimming and searching. Then, we watched it synthesize a complex, multi-page section into a simple, actionable summary. This is the future of knowledge work. It's about leveraging AI to instantly access and understand the information you need, when you need it, directly from your source documents. You no longer have to spend hours searching. You can spend your time thinking, strategizing, and making decisions based on the insights the AI provides. It's like having a team of analysts at your fingertips, ready to answer any question about your data, 24/7. Mastering this skill is no longer optional. It's essential for anyone looking to stay ahead. Thank you so much for joining us for this deep dive into the context window. I hope you see the incredible potential this unlocks. Theo, if you found this lesson valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more advanced AI tutorials. Your support helps us create more content like this. Up next, we're tackling another fascinating advanced topic in Lesson A8, Chain of Thought Prompting. It's a technique that helps the AI think step by step to solve even more complex problems. You won't want to miss it. See you in the next lesson.